If I had only $100 to invest in 2026, here's exactly what I'd do. Many people think investing is only for the rich. They believe they need thousands of dollars before they can start building wealth. The truth is that investing is not about how much money you start with. It is about starting. If I had only $100 to invest in 2026, I would focus on three things: diversification, growth, and patience. First, I would put most of my money into a broad stock market ETF. This gives exposure to hundreds or even thousands of companies at once. Instead of trying to guess which company will become the next giant, I would own a small piece of many successful businesses. Second, I would allocate a smaller portion to growth opportunities. Technology, artificial intelligence, and innovation continue to transform the global economy. Having some exposure to these sectors provides the potential for higher long-term returns. Third, I would invest a small amount in Bitcoin. Digital assets remain volatile and risky, but Bitcoin has become one of the most recognized financial assets in the world. A small allocation allows participation in potential upside while limiting risk. Finally, I would keep a little cash available. Opportunities always appear, and having cash on hand provides flexibility. The most important lesson is this: the first $100 is not life-changing. What changes lives is consistency. Imagine investing $100 today and then continuing to invest every month. Over time, compound growth begins working in your favor. Money starts earning money, and that process accelerates year after year. Many wealthy investors did not become rich because they found one perfect investment. They became wealthy because they invested consistently, stayed patient, and allowed time to do the heavy lifting. So if you have $100 today, don't wait until you have $1,000 or $10,000. Start where you are, invest wisely, keep learning, and focus on the long term. The best investment journey begins with the first dollar.